just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I were safe and sound. And we slow down. For you and I were safe and we were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I were safe and sound. Can we just slow down? And we just slow waste another day. I don't know how to play. You say I need a change. I feel that you need it. But you're so right. We're losing track of time. Buying things online. It's not like we need them. Safe and sound. Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time. Buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I were safe and sound. And we just slow down. For you and I were safe and we were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found for you and our safe and sound. Can we just slow down? And we just waste another day. I don't know how to play. You say you need a change, you feel that you need it. It's just so right. We're losing track of time, buying things online. It's not like we need them. Waste another day, eyes on my display. Your team is...
Hello everyone, welcome back to the stream, and here we have the second day of this tournament.
Your
group
team
stage.
is banning.
We have group stage day 2 of SGG series Mobile Legends, and here we have the first match of the day. We have on the left side we have Khasi Royals, and on the right side we have Low Expectations. So we have
Your team is banning.
we have Phobos and Yuzong, the first heroes being banned from both the squads. So now we are going to see the second hero is going to be banned from. Okay, we have Paquito
Your team is
from
banning.
Khasi Royals, and what will be the second ban from Low Expectations. Before we proceed with the stream, guys, it's my humble request to each and every one of you who are watching to please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. You can also share the stream so that you can enjoy the stream with your own friends, or maybe your own clanmates or whatever. Okay, and also you can do one more thing. If you have any of your favorite teams who are playing tonight, you can shout out in the live chat, spam your own squad or maybe your own supporting squad, and you know, show them some support.
Your
So we have
team is
Xbox
picking.
being banned. Matilda first picked from Khasi Royals, and we are going to see double picks coming in from Low Expectations. What will be the picks coming in from Low Expectations? Okay, we have Bharat from Low Expectations. There it is, proof
Your
double
team is
tank coming in
picking.
from Low Expectations. So what will be the counter coming in from Khasi Royals? Uziel and Alexis Sanchez. We have hero picks coming in from Khasi Royals. Okay, Balmon. Balmon and Gato Kacha.
Your team is
We
picking.
already have 3 picks coming in from Khasi Royals. The third pick coming in from Low Expectations. And then we are going to see the last ban from both of the squads. No hyper yet have been picked from both the squads here. Let's see and wait.
Your
We
team
have
is
Kagura.
banning.
Okay, Kagura, the third pick coming in from Low Expectations. Okay, we already have a mage. And they are banned
Your team
Argus
is
from Low
banning.
Expectations. Hello, live chat. What are you guys doing? Come on. Who are you supporting? Are you supporting Khasi Royals or Low Expectations? On the left side we have Khasi Royals, and on the right side we have Low Expectations.
Your team
Oh
is
my
picking.
god, they didn't ban a hero. I'm lost. The last player from Khasi Royals didn't ban a hero, so now we are going to see a hero pick coming in from Low Expectations. Hello Dawan, hello, big fan bro, big fan Dawan.
I see lots of
Okay, Roger.
Your
Fourth
team
pick coming
is
in from Low
picking.
Expectations. So the last 2 picks coming in from Khasi Royals. We have Sun and I'm lost. The 2 players for the pick from Khasi Royals. What are they gonna pick? They still have a mage and or maybe a hyper is going to be a pick from Khasi Royals, or maybe they are going to go with a marksman, or maybe they are gonna go with a fighter. So maybe Roger gonna be the hyper from Low Expectations. There it is. We
team
have
is
Change
picking.
from Khasi Royals, and we have Hanzo. Hyper from Khasi Royals will be Hanzo, and Roger Hyper from Low Expectations. I'm on neither side. Okay, no problem, bro. If you are on neither side, then maybe you are on the streamer side. Oh, bhai sahab, we have Saber, the last pick from Low Expectations. So let's take a look. We are already on the clock now. 7 seconds until the match starts. All the best to each and every players here, and all the best to both the squads. So now we are going to see blue team is going to be Khasi Royals and red team will be Low Expectations. Okay, it's my humble request to each and every one of you, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, especially for those of you who are new to the channel. Okay, all the best. Okay, Low Expectations. So here it is. Match is already starting.
5 seconds.
Okay, Gladiator is gonna take that top lane. So we are going to see Matilda and Changi gonna move to mid lane. Okay, blue team is Khasi Royals and red team is Low Expectations. We have Balmon and Bharat in bottom lane here, and we have Hanzo gonna try to steal that buff. Let's take a look. Will he be able to steal that buff? Oh yes, he managed to steal that buff. But it seems that he's gonna go down with that first blood. Gonna go down. Low Expectations with that first blood. GG. First kill for Roger. Hyper is already on fire there from Low Expectations. So now we're going to see Low Expectations gonna go for that buff. And let's take a look. Hanzo is on his way to go for the charge against Low Expectations. We have 3 players all together here from Low Expectations. So who's gonna go down next? Will it be the player from Low Expectations or will it be the player from Khasi Royals? We have players from Low Expectations. They are falling back. They are not taking the fight. We have Balmon gonna go for the charge, but he's falling back himself as well. So let's take a look at Bharat here. Bharat is also going to join in the fight, trying to rotate from the bottom lane, going straight head to mid lane. We are going to see here Hanzo going to try to take another buff, and there's a charge coming in from Kufra. He managed to take a charge against Changi, but no damage has been taken there. So let's jump to top lane. We have a Saber and Gatukacha, and they are still trying to hold the positions. No one has been taking damage yet. And look at a charge coming in from Kufa all the way in mid lane. Let's take a look. We have Hanzo already managed to get his ultimate, and he's already activated his ultimate, but sadly he didn't get any kills there. So let's take a look. I'm going to see any rotations coming in from both the squads there. Look at that charge coming in from Kufa again, but his HP is really low. Maybe we're going to see Kufa gonna go and teleport himself to base, and we already see the Kagura trying to go and teleport to base. Maybe she's gonna come back to mid lane. So we have Low Expectations trying to... Oh, where is
hero has been slain.
Where is Hanzo? Hanzo, he already used his ultimate, but no kills has been taken. Look at Hanzo, very low in HP, and the charge coming in from Balmon, and he's gonna die. Bharat's managed to take down a kill against Balmon. And we already have 1 kill from Khasi Royals and 2 kills from Low Expectations. So now Bharat's trying to move back to bottom lane, trying to clear that lane more, maybe taking down 1 turret. We still have a fight going on in top lane as well between Saber and Gatukacha. Mid lane is calming down now, no fight is happening there, and we still have Hanzo still trying to go for that buff again. He's gonna take that turtle. It's going to be a charge. No, he cancelled his kill. Kufra there. So no one is gonna go and take that turtle. I thought that Low Expectations gonna go for the turtle, but they decided to clear up their lanes first. So we have Balmon and Bharat in bottom lane again. So still in 1 kill from Khasi Royals and 2 kills from Low Expectations. No one is in the fight yet. We have Kagura here still trying to wait for an ambush, but he's the only one here in mid lane. He's still waiting for Kufra, and Bharat's trying to make for the charge. Let's take a look. There's gonna be a charge coming in. There's a charge coming from Kagura and Kufra. and Bharat's as well. Look at that, it's going to be a kill or what? No kills yet. Aegis has been activated by Matilda. Managed to save some of her own teammates there. And Low Expectations, let's take a look. Are they gonna go for that turtle? So Low Expectations, Roger, they're on his way to take that turtle. And yeah, Balmon is being charged by Kufra. He's falling back, and it seems like turtle. Turtle has been taken down by Khasi Royals. I thought Low Expectations gonna be able to take that turtle, but Khasi Royals all the way there managed to steal that turtle, and what a bad move there from Low Expectations. So we have Bharat moving back to bottom lane along with Balmon. We're going to see a fight happening there. Activated ultimate from Hanzo, but no kills yet have been taken. We already have 2 kills in total from Khasi Royals and 2 kills in total from Low Expectations. So let's jump straight back to top lane. We still have a fight between Gatukacha and Saber. Gatukacha really needs to go for that rotation, especially to mid lane. Khasi, thank you so much for your subscription, bro. Thank you so much for your subscription. So we have a rotation coming in from Kufra and Roger, but sadly no players from Khasi Royals is in top lane. So we are going to see a fight coming in from Kagura there. Kagura and Roger still trying to assemble together in mid lane. We have Kufra also trying to make his way into mid lane, still waiting for his own chance to go for that charge. But let's take a look. Are we going to see any kills coming in from Low Expectations, or maybe a kill coming in from Khasi Royals? We still have a fight going to happen there in bottom lane between Bharat and Balmon. Let's take a look. We have rotation coming in. Oh, what a nice kill there from Gatukacha. He managed to take down a kill against Saber. We have a total of 3 kills from Khasi Royals and a total of 2 kills from Low Expectations. We have a fight happening there in mid lane from Hanzo. Hanzo managed to take some damage there with his ultimate, but no kills has been taken. Only damage has been dealt from Khasi Royals. So we have 3 kills in total from Khasi Royals and 2 kills in total from Low Expectations. So let's jump straight back to the kills. Let's take a look. We have a total of 15,000 gold from Khasi Royals and 16,000 gold from Low Expectations. Okay, Kagura is still trying to teleport back to base. A fight is still happening in mid lane. Matilda is still trying to go for the charge, but no one is right there to go for that assist. Gold is equalizing 17,000 from both squads, and it seems like an equalized matchup here from both the squads, Low Expectations and Khasi Royals. For those of you who just joined the stream just now, let's go for a quick update. Blue team is Khasi Royals and red team is Low Expectations. So let's take a look. Gatukacha just managed to use his ultimate against Saber and managed to take half of his HP. There's a charge coming in from blue team, Khasi Royals, and Saber trying to fall back with his ultimate, trying to take a kill, and there his kill has been taken by Gatukacha. Saber has been taken down for the second time by Gatukacha. So there's a total of 4 kills from Khasi Royals and a total of 2 kills from Low Expectations. So we have Balmon trying to move to stop mid lane here. Let's take a look. We have Hunter already activated his ulti. Is it going to be a kill? There is Saber already on his feet. He's gonna join in the fight. Oh, Matilda trying to activate her own skill, but Matilda is gonna go down. Roger managed to take down a kill. Total 3 kills in total. And Kufra has been taken down by Balmon. What a nice kill coming in from Balmon. There's a charge coming in, and Roger has been taken down by Gatukacha. Saber is also very low in HP, and he's being charged by Gatukacha again. This is going to be a 3rd kill from Gatukacha. There's a turret been taken down by Bharat in bottom lane. We have Hanzo gonna go and concentrate for that buff. But now we have a total of 3 kills from Khasi Royals and a total of 3 kills from Low Expectations. So there's an ultimate coming in from Hanzo again. Okay, one turret has been taken down by Khasi Royals and one turret has been taken down by Low Expectations. So there's a charge coming in, and Matilda has been taken down. What a nice skill coming in from Bharat. He just swallowed him up and threw him right in front of that turret. So there's a charge coming in from Gladiator with his ultimate, but sadly no one is inside his ultimate. So there's the charge coming from Saber. Managed to take so much HP there against Gladiator. Gladiator with his immortality managed to survive again, and he managed to take down Saber with third time there. And there's a kill from Roger coming in against Gladiator, and Roger is very low HP, still managed to survive with very low HP, and he's gonna go and teleport back to PS. We have Kagura also still trying to teleport back to PS, and we have a total of 7 kills from Khasi Royals and a total of 5 kills from Low Expectations. So they're all alone. Their Bharat from Low Expectations still trying to help his own teammates with his Kulka. And it's going to be a 2 versus 1, and Hanzo also trying to activate his own ultimate, but sadly no damage has been dealt there from Hanzo. So Kagura is already on her way in million, and Roger still trying to go for the charge against Hanzo, or maybe Matilda is gonna go and help out for Hanzo, trying to take that buff. Let's take a look who's gonna be the next hero gonna be taken down. Will it be from Khasi or will it be from Low Expectations? There's a charge again from Roger. There's an ultimate coming from Saber, and an ultimate coming from Gladiator. Chunky managed to take down Saber with that ultimate. So we have only 4 players remaining from both the squads here. 2 players still on their way from their base. So we have Chunky has been taken down by Roger. Total of 7 kills by 8 kills. Oh, bhai sahab. 8 kills in total from Khasi Royals and 7 kills in total from Low Expectations. So we have Balmon and Gladiator still trying to clear their own lanes, but that this mid lane is being exposed, and this mid lane turret is gonna go down from Low Expectations. There's another turret been taken down by Low Expectations. A charge coming in from Hanzo, and who's gonna go down? It seems like one player is gonna go down there. Oh, so many kills been taken. Look at that Bharat CC, what a nice gameplay there. And we have Matilda has been taken down. A total of 8 kills from Low Expectations, a total of 9 kills from Khasi Royals, and we have Low Expectations trying to go for the charge against that Lord, and it seems like Khasi Royals are not aware of Low Expectations, trying to take that Lord, and it's going to be Lord from Low Expectations, and now they are in a very bad position. Khasi Royals, once that Lord is commencing from Low Expectations. Let's take a look. When Lord coming in, okay, Lord is gonna come in from top lane. Saber managed to take another kill against Gladiator with a nice revenge there from Saber, and that's a double kill. Managed to take down the second kill against Balmon. So it's going to be Lord coming in from top lane from Low Expectations. Are we going to see a final push from Low Expectations? We have 10 seconds and 20 seconds, 2 heroes being left out, and another kill has been taken down. Matilda is going down, and we have a total of 11 kills from Low Expectations and 9 kills. Oh, by Sab, Hanzo has also been taken down. That's a wipe out from Low Expectations. We are going to see a final push coming in from Low Expectations. Lord is already on his way from top lane. Now we are going to see the final push from Low Expectations. Gladiator is being charged, ultimate being activated by Saber, and Gladiator managed to take down Kufa. Look at that, Balmon managed to take down Saber as well. 3 kills has been taken, and a Lord managed to take down that top lane turret, and only the bottom lane turret is still being left out. Are we going to see a final push coming from a bottom lane? 2 Mega Minions, 2 Mega Minions are commencing from Low Expectations. So all the players from Khasi Royals are back on their feet. Balmon still fighting against this Lord. Finally, Lord is going down. Now they are still trying to defend their own base, and there's a buff being taken by Low Expectations. Let's check the builds. Okay, we already have an advantage from Low Expectations. 2 lanes, Mega Minions. Only 1 lane is being left out, and it's very low in HP. Look at this turret. Only 1 hit and it's gonna go down. So let's take a look at the fight happening in mid lane here. Look at that skill coming in from Gladiator and from Bharat, and a card coming in from all the players here. Roger managed to take down the kill against Hanzo, and the fight is happening there. Saber and Balmon. Oh my god, Balmon has been taken down by Saber. Now we are going to see a final push coming in from Low Expectations. there's a fight and there's a win for Low Expectations. Congratulations to Low Expectations for this win in the first match of Day 2 SGG Series Mobile Legends. Congratulations to Low Expectations and GG, well played to both the squads. Okay, Khasi Royals still have 2 more chances in group stage, so be prepared for the remaining matches. Okay, we still have 3 more matches. Please stay tuned and we will be right back. What's the time now? It's okay, next match is going to start at 9:30. Stay tuned and we'll be right back.
can show you what love's supposed to feel like. supposed to feel